Sego sewa gwego, jisto kuyo ni yonkets, no watkwanu horda, jia gwego sewa yat dorono. Hi everybody, my name is Logisto Kuyo and welcome to another one of our videos in our 5-word series, Wisk Nikawanage, Beginner Mohawk for parents and families. So for today's 5 words, we're going to be doing orhon morning time words. 5 words that you can insert into your morning time routine that aren't too hard and that can get you to be using language with your child. So we'll get into it. The first word that we'll be going over today is a simple one that is one of the first ones that the children use around rest time at school. Ítsye, because it's so simple. Ítsye. We'll practice it together. Ítsye, Ítsye, Ítsye. You can even, sometimes I like to clap the rhythm together and it kind of helps if you do a movement with it. Ítsye, 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 Ítsye. As soon as you walk into the room with your child, whether or not they sleep with you or if they have their own room, go in there and you say, Ítsye, Ítsye, Ítsye. Wake them up. Ítsye, wake up. So that's usually used when they're sleeping to get them up. Ítsye, 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 Ítsye. The next word we'll be learning today is Satkétsko. So this word is a little different from Ítsye. Ítsye is wake up. This one is get up. So your child's in bed and they are laughing with you. You're maybe cuddling and now it's time for them to get up. So this word, and as another command word, some commands are some of the simpler things to kind of start to use with your children. And they can get more complicated as you get more comfortable with them. But again, this is a beginner language one, so we'll stick with some of these simpler words. So this word is Satkétsko. 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 So you can say it with me. Satkétsko. Satkétsko. And this movement kind of will help to integrate it into your memory. So you can do the movement with me. Satkétsko. 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 Wake up, get up, get up, get up. Satkétsko. So you can say to your child, Ítsye, Ítsye, Satkétsko, Satkétsko. And there's some songs that we have with these 2 words that we use at the school. And one of them is, Ande what GETSGOW, ne eji, gadung gariaksni. So this song is Under What GETSGOW, which means all of us are going to get up now. But for this purposes of the simplicity, we can keep with Satkétsko. Satkétsko. The third word that we're going to be learning today for our morning routines is a little bit longer, but it's a good word to start learning for your rhythm in the morning and at nighttime. So, Satenawiróhare. Ooh, mouthful. So let's break it down a little bit. Satenawiróhare. 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 So if you can say it with me and keep a beat, it might make it a little bit easier for you to really get this word in your mind. Satenawiróhare. 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 So this is something, as soon as your child gets up, first thing, go into the bathroom. Satenawiróhare. Satenawiróhare. So you can use this motion. Satenawiróhare. 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 That's how it would be very quickly. Satenawiróhare. And it might be a little bit hard for you to get, it's like a tongue twister for you to get because it's a longer word. So like I said, if these are longer words, harder maybe for you to pronounce, you just have to keep practicing it. The more you keep practicing it, the more your mouth will get used to the words. So just keep practicing, and break it down if it's simpler for you. Satenawiróhare, Satenawiróhare, Satenawiróhare. And once you get more comfortable with that, you can start saying it quicker. Satenawiróhare, Satenawiróhare. Kanyen'kéha, Satenawiróhare. Hurry up, brush your teeth. Sometimes I find if there's a word that's really hard for us to pronounce, we start with the end and work our way back to the beginning. Sounds a little weird, but I'll show you that right now. And this is mostly for adults. So, le, say that with me. Le, harde, harde, harde. That's a little easier. Harde, lo harde, lo harde, lo harde, lo harde. Weirdoharde, 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 weirdoharde. We're adding in another one. Nawiróhare, nawiróhare, nawiróhare. Denawiróhare, denawiróhare, denawiróhare. Satenawiróhare, satenawiróhare. And just keep saying it over and over, and you'll get more used to saying it. Satenawiróhare. The next word we're bringing to you today to add into your morning time routine is another one. It's not too long, but it's an important one, brushing your hair. Satkeróhtihwe, Satkeróhtihwe, Satkeróhtihwe. And you can use the motion, same with me, and just repeat it after me. Satkeróhtihwe, 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 Satkeróhtihwe. So in the morning time, you can integrate these words kind of like this. Ítsye, Satkétsko. Kanyen'kéha, Satenawiróhare. Kanyen'kéha, Satkeróhtihwe, Satkeróhtihwe. Satenawiróhare, Satkeróhtihwe. And so those are some good commands to be using in the morning. Satkeróhtihwe, brush your hair. And this is also another very useful one for the morning time, Satsherón. And that means get dressed, Satsherón. So this we can use our motions as well. And sometimes if it's a harder word for you to pronounce, again, like I say, break it up, add a rhythm to it, and get your mouth used to saying it. So, Satsherón, 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 Satsherón. This is a nice motion to add to it. Satsherón, 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 Satsherón. And repeat it after me again, because as many times as you're saying it on this video, I want you to say it 1,000 more times. That's how you're going to get it in here. Satsherón, Satsherón, Satsherón. And again, if it's even really hard for you to get your mouth around that one, break it down, add a rhythm. Satsherón, 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 get dressed. Satsherón, get dressed. Satsherón, get dressed. So for adding all of these 5 words today, and these are all command words, so we're not getting too much into the back and forth with this. These are just words for you to start integrating, and that'll help your child to start integrating and hearing it and understanding them. I will put out another video about how to use these with your child. And, for these words, when you're integrating them into your morning routine, just replace the words and use the motions with it, and it'll give visual cues for your child to understand what you're meaning. And if they're still not getting it and they're giving you the starry-eyed face, then just do it with them. Don't try not to translate into English. Just simply show them. So if they don't understand, you say Satenawiróhare, and they're like, what is going on? You say that, and they're still not understanding you, go with them to the bathroom, grab their toothbrush, Satenawiróhare, and show them what that means, and keep using it over and over and over again. Then they'll start to understand it. When you all both get comfortable with this after weeks of doing it every day, then you can start adding in a back and forth between you and your child. And some of them, the easiest way is around question form. So, Satenawiróhare ka? Did you brush your teeth? Some of those things, they get a little bit more complicated, and we can add into it a little bit more in another video. But for now, if you're a complete beginner parent and you're looking for ways to add language into your day, these 5 words will be very, very instrumental for your morning time routine. So we'll go through them one last time. Ítsye, 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 Ítsye. Digini. Satkétsko, Satkétsko, Satkétsko. Asa. Satenawiróhare, Satenawiróhare, Satenawiróhare. Gair. Satkeróhtihwe, Satkeróhtihwe, Satkeróhtihwe. Whisk. Satsherón, 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 Satsherón. Hauki se wakweko tukniko oni zerade. That's all for today. Waksa, I'm all done.